G'day guys, so today on the Shed Sesh we fit a Mace Engineering Throttle Controller to the old lethargic VE SS. Okay, so here's the old girl. We're as far as I know, we've got the Mace Engineering Throttle Controller for the VE. There's a number on there somewhere. Let's see, ETC 001. As far as I know, it's just plug and play. You disconnect these VEs and L98s are drive-by-wire, so they have just an accelerator pedal with a couple of potentiometers in them, and variable resistors, or they could be forgotten the word. So this just clicks in line. You've got a bit of a controller there to put it. You've got a setting from 1 to 9 and eco, so different drive settings. Now what they appear to have done in the SSs and actually a lot of cars is pretty much detuned it, so when you put your foot down, there's a very sort of lethargic weight, so people don't just, it just sort of tames the power a bit, so people can't, spin the wheels and head off into the bushes. So this just adjusts that signal to the engine and gives it a bit of pep. So I'll be very interested to see how it works. Okay, so now we're done. Down under here, undo the couple of screws for the OBD2 board, couple of screws, and then pretty much just give it a good tug. And all these everything's clipped in nowadays. All the clips will come undone, and then you can remove that panel. A bit of a clean. So now there's the accelerator pedal. Get up there somewhere. So there's the plug there, and chuck it in. So as you can see, those connectors, as you might be able to see, are the same. So all you've got to do, that bit there is pushed in when it's connected. All I did was pull it out so it's in that position, and give it a wiggle and it's come off. So with any luck, I'll be able to plug this back on, push that in, which will lock it in. And it's a little bit tight up there. We'll see how we go. I might plug in this now so I don't have to try and fish around for it. And then the one you've pulled off, plugs in. That's keyed. Should be keyed. Plugs in. and push that. So that's what I've got to do. That's what I'm going to do on the top of the accelerator. Now, the kit also comes with a couple of zip ties and a sticker for the control unit to stick on here somewhere up on the dot. So I'll just cable tie up the excess wires. There, so I've got it plugged in down there. I've got the wires running. Comes out the left-hand side of the controller, the box. So I've got it tucked it up in the steering wheel access, and I think I might chuck it up here. I don't like ruining the look of the standard interior, but I think I'll chuck it up there anyway. I can move it if I need to. But that's on there with the supplied 3M double-sided foam. Looks like nice and neat. Up there. Now I'll just tuck all these wires up, put the bottom panel back on, and go through the setup. There you go. So it comes with some pretty straightforward instructions. We'll go through it and see if we can't get some engine codes to flash up. All right. Take part of the accelerator, connect it between pedals on that, connect the block. Yep. So it's all connected. Keep pressing both buttons simultaneously and turn the power on, so AC on, but do not start the car. The display shows 3210 and then release both buttons. So, push both buttons, accessories on. There. Do not start the car. Goes to 0, release both buttons. When the display shows L, please press down. Down. Shows high. Step on the accelerator, so this will be setting up the signal from the accelerator. Press down all the way and press down. After the display shows 0, you can release the pedal and it's finished. 1 to 9 sports levels, economy mode, long press. Alright, so a whole bunch of other things. Let's see if she starts for starters. Oh, put on the clutch. They're red LEDs, they fit in. Gotta say 0 is no sport mode. Possibly a little bit more responsive. It's open a little bit sooner, like a bit more instantaneous. Anyway, let's go for a drive, see what she feels like. Okay, so we're in 0. I'd say 0 is standard, possibly. Yep. Let's go up a couple clicks. We're in 3 now. So she's too different. Let's go 5. Not interested in eco mode. That's a hell of a lot better. We've still got 4 to go. Yes. There we go. 7. Holy shit, she's towy as a Roman candle. Bloody hell. So it just takes that bloody lethargic sort of lag out of it, which is great. Fuck. I've still got 2 more clicks. I tell you, with standard, you have to be bloody trying hard to spin the wheels, and I've already chirped a couple of times just on gear changes. So, whew. Geez, who'd have thought something just like a bloody bit of accelerator modification can waken the old girl up. Far out. Still on 7. I've heard people say that. Oh shit! I've heard people say that 3 or 4 is probably the best for, you know, just everyday driving, getting it up there. You know, just make it a little more responsive. No doubt, everybody will have their own happy place. All right, so we're going to go up to 9, see what happens. Yeah, got a bloke and a bike. He's giving a bit of a test out. Holy shit!
Unbelievable. All right. Mace Engineering Throttle Controller. Get one. Bloody fantastic. Love your work. Get in the shed.